Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is the Moody Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. If you have watched my lineup and you see the different cover, yes, my folio did not last very long, but that's okay. I have a need of flipping my planner back on the discs, so that was not really going to work for me. Anyway, so today we're going to be planning July 15th through the 21st. Super, super excited about that. And I am going to be creating this spread with a printable from Crafty Planner Queen. I am in her $2 Tuesday club. So every Tuesday she gives us printables and they're usually very, very incredible. So that's what I'm going to be creating a spread with today. And if you have not joined her, but you do like printable stickers, I highly recommend it. Tell her I sent you. It will make me happy if you guys do that. But yeah, these stickers are incredible. And I am going to be using black boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans because I always do. I don't know why, but Mojo Jojo is my jam. All of these boxes make me so happy that I don't have to search and do all of that. So this is what I'm doing. So yeah, welcome. If this is your first time joining me, I'm so happy you have found me. If you have been here before and you are coming back to spend more time with me, you rock and you know it. So I'm just drawing some checklists. I usually skip the line part and just do the circles, and then I try to write straight. Usually it doesn't happen, but that's okay, right? I will live regardless of whether it's straight or not, as long as this planner is very functional for me. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so some lines on the other side, same thing. I hope you guys are doing well. I know I haven't been doing as many voice videos. Let me know if you prefer when I do these voiceover or if I just play music in the background. Let me know what your preference is. Obviously, the ones with the voice are a lot more work. And sometimes I don't even know what to say. So yeah, there's that, right? I'm gonna add this little Jeep right in here because yeah, we are on Safari Land or Wild Styled or something like that, Wild and Free. It's such a fun collection. I can't wait to use all of these stickers in here. So I'm just going to be adding all of these girls. They're so fun and I love having them in here. But yes, I am going to be using all of them in one spread. I know that's a lot of dolls in my planner, but hey, makes me happy, right? So let's put her right in here on a Sunday. She's fierce. She is so fierce, but yes. So then we're gonna add, I don't know, I wanted to use these checklists because they match with color and everything like that, but honestly, I don't think that's gonna work because I don't use checklists anymore. I like my little drawn simple ones. I don't know why, but I do. So yeah. Let me know what you guys use. Do you use the stencil? Do you draw the lines? Do you just use the lines and not the circles? Do you use just the circles like me? Like, what is your preference when it comes to the checklist? Because everybody is so different. Do you like the stickers? I also have the Check It Off stickers from Mojo Jojo, and I used to use them religiously. And now I kind of went away. I think I go in phases. I think all of us go in phases when it comes to planning and stickers and how we do it and when we do it, right? Oh, it's crooked. Look at this. Yay! All crooked, but all fixed. Or at least it looks fixed. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I need to add a couple more boxes. These skinny boxes, as always, are for my work schedule as I am salary and I have to keep track of my own hours. Yes, I know. For those of you who are also on salary, you guys probably know exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, I try to make sure that I am not overworking myself because I have a tendency to be in the office sometimes even 50 hours a week, which is not normal, I know. So, okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these boxes, and then we're gonna go back to decorating, which makes me the happiest. Yeah, so let's add that. That one says wild and free. I have a couple words that I want to add in here. I think they'll be great. Wild and free. Let's put it right here on that box. Go nice and even. Yeah, good. I haven't wrinkled it. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I have, let's see, what can I add? I always have such a dilemma because these things are so beautiful and I want all of it. How about I add plan in this leopard print like so? That looks great. That looks actually really fun. Okay, now we need to add this rainbow. Leopard rainbow, you guys. That is amazing. I would never think of designing something like this. Okay, next up is adding a few of these elements of cheetah print. Is it cheetah print? I think so. I'm gonna add the sleeve. Look how cute this is. It looks like it's like on top of that box. And then I'm gonna add this one on the other side of the page, but I think I have to cut the stem, which is so sad, but that's okay. Plants can live without the stem in my planner. Not in real life, but in my planner they can. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut more of that cheetah print to kind of distribute throughout right here. But yeah, it's super, super cool. I love adding elements like that. I haven't done the wild style theme in a little bit, so I feel like it was due. It was due. My brother is Snapchatting me, you guys, as I'm filming this. Oh well, he will have to wait. Anyway, let's add these glasses because they are snazzy. Okay, and then the backpack right there. Okay. It is getting full, and now I have these little like bubbles that I can add to. I'm gonna color this wild, and I think that's gonna look super cute if I do it like that matching green, maybe. So I'm gonna add these little journal and jungle. Yeah, because I do that. Jungle vibes, kind of that orange in there. I love how they look like kind of like rocks. And then wild things. Wild things. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit more of boxes. So these boxes are in the set. They are longer than my Classics Happy Planner. But again, you kind of size them to your own needs. And I was caring about the images and not necessarily about the size. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. This is all I'm doing with this one until I write in it. Have a great day. Bye.